Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be doing a review of the Kopy app in Shopify. Is it actually worth using? So if you're running a drop shipping, reseller business, and I know how time consuming can be to create product listings. Enter Kopy, right? It's an AI powered Shopify app that lets you copy products details from any site with a single click. But is it really worth it? We're going to be breaking it down. So let's start with what Kopy is. So it is a Shopify app that is designed to make product importing effortless. As you can see, you just enter a URL, right? And Kopy will pull the titles, the images, the descriptions, prices, and even SEO details into your store. It even integrates with AliExpress, Etsy, and CJ dropshipping. So we'll first go over the pros and cons. So pros, one-click product import. Very easy, very simple. You can even bulk import entire stores. Okay? It has AI enhanced, product descriptions. All right? It has multi-language support. Has customization options. And the cons, well, I would say it does have occasional technical issues. And it has limited customer support, only email and chatbot. And if we look at the pricing, they do offer a 7-day free trial. Then they have 3 plans, okay? So we have the starter plan, which is $4.99 a month. We have essential, $24.99 a month. So this is just Kopy, and this one is Kopy with AI. And this is Kopy basic plus AI plus protect. You get it for $29.99. Basically unlimited imports. Okay? And it also gives you add-on plans for multiple stores at $2.99 a month. So is Kopy worth it? I would say if you are a dropshipper or you need to import large catalogs quickly, Kopy can actually save you hours of manual work. Like, this is a very cheap price to pay for the hours of work you save. Look at this, $4.99 hours of work you can save for only $4.99. Okay, that's manual work. Those are boring work. You could put that time into more high effort work, right? The AI powered enhancement and the translation features also make it great for scaling globally. And they also have a 7-day free trial. It's honestly worth testing it out. Let me know, guys, would you be getting Kopy for your Shopify store? Let us know in the comments. And until next time, make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.